Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, Facebook login failed. There was an error obtaining Facebook permissions. Please check your settings and allow Verge sale access to Facebook. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to know that you just need to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just go to the settings. In the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And also you can turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.